Hi everyone. Today we're going to solve a question on Ferrari method. It's actually easy method and it's very good also. Let's see how we're going to solve it. So basically in Ferrari what we do is we remove x to the power 4 term and x to the power 3 term to make it as a perfect square. And while doing so we introduce a new term which is called lambda. So let don't get confused. It's a very simple thing. Like I'm explaining you, just concentrate. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is we have to write this thing. This equals to put this thing in right hand side. It will be minus 41 x square plus 18 plus 72. Okay, now what we are going to do is this thing you have to remember. X square, divide this whole by 2x square, divide this by 2x square. It will be minus 6x plus lambda square. Yes, from here that thing you have to remember, and from here it's only simple mathematics, and I know you guys can do it, but I'm still gonna tell you because I'm such a great person in general. So yeah, so let's see how we want to do this. It's a plus b plus c square. It's going to be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, let's just simplify this thing. A little bit simplification is needed. X to the power 4 plus 36x square plus lambda square minus 6 into 2 12 x to the power 3 minus 12 x lambda plus 2 lambda x square. Now let's just see that why we had done this. X to the power 4 minus 12x square, x to the power 4 minus 12x cube, I guess 12x cube. We're going to write this thing in one place. Okay, we're going to write this thing x to the power 4 minus 12x to the power 3 plus 36x square plus lambda square minus 12x lambda plus 2 lambda x square. Put the value of this and this value in the below side so that you can solve this further. Basically this question is only mathematics, simple mathematics, but it's very important to know this because it sometimes comes to an exam. So I'm putting the values are minus 41x square plus 18x plus 72 plus 36x square plus lambda square minus 12x lambda plus 2 lambda x square. Okay, that's what we had done. Now let's just see if we can solve anything here. Let's just see this, if we can solve. Yeah, this will be solved. So the value will be, or just do one thing. Um, you can do both way, but that way is more good to do. Put all the same thing in a one place. For example, of x square one place, x one place, and x lambda one place. Just put this. Let's just follow this step. I'm putting this. See, there is any x square here. Yeah, there is one more x square here. 2 lambda x square we had done for this one. Now for x, for the term of x, 18x, because ultimately at the end we have to take common. That's why I'm doing this thing. We can do here also, but that thing is, I have seen that it helps more and chances of error is less. In this type of question only the chances of error is there when there is no big concept to learn here. So let's just take x square as common here. So it will be 36 minus 41 plus 2 lambda plus x will be common here, so it will be 18 minus 12 lambda plus lambda square plus 72. Okay, now what we are going to do is let's 46 minus x square, and that basic calculation is there, and it will be minus for 5, and nothing much is there, just basic calculation, only one there, and here there will be nothing, here also there will be nothing. Okay, so this thing we have, this thing we solved, this simple mathematics is there. Now what we are going to do is think of this as A, think of this as B, and think of this as C. Okay, and we know that this is step 2. Basically you can say that it's a step 2. Here what we are going to do is b square equals to 4ac. We're going to put this thing here. So b square, it is 18 minus 12 lambda, 18 minus 12 lambda square is equals to 4. Let's see, the value of a is 2 lambda minus 5, 2 lambda minus 5. C is lambda square plus 72, lambda square plus 72. This is okay. Now again, this is a very basic mathematics here. We're going to solve at the both ends. We're going to use the formula a minus b whole square, and we're going to just multiply this by this by this, and we're going to get a. Let's see, I'm going to do very quickly because it's going to be a little bit long. This is square minus 2ab is equals to 4 into, when we multiply uh, this thing with that thing, it will be 2 lambda cube plus 144 lambda minus 5 lambda square, and just 72 minus 5, 72 minus 5 will be minus 360. Cool. From here what we're going to do is we're going to just simplify this thing. Okay, the simplification is a little bit longer. Let me just do it very quickly for you. It will be direct simplification. On simplifying, basically you are going to get the answer like this: 164 x square plus 1008 lambda minus 17640. That is the answer which you are going to get on simplifying this. Now you're going to use your scientific calculator to find the value of lambda. I'm using it. I'm putting the value in my calc. I got the value as 3, 21 upon 3 and 7. That's it. We are just in the edge to get our answer. We are just to get our answer. Now we are going to put the value of lambda in the first equation, in the first thing where we have started the question. Here this equals to what we got the answer is as that. We're going to just put the values here. We're going to put the values in two parts, which is we're going to put the value here and we're going to put the value here. This equals to this. Let's just put the value. Putting lambda is equals to 3, we're going to get x square minus 6x plus 3 whole square equals, I'm solving directly because if I put the value individually here, 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 you can put any of the value 3, 21 by 3 or 7, but right now I'm putting the value 3 only because it's the shortest one and the calculation will be strong and easy. So I'm putting 3 here. So if I put 3 here, it will be 3 to 6 into 1, so it will be x square. I'm putting all value here, and I'm just skipping the boring part. You guys can solve this by your own. Plus 81. Okay. Now again we can simplify this thing. Let's see how can we simplify this thing. Let's see. Yeah, we can simplify this thing. For simplifying, let's make it in a square minus 2ab 2ab plus b square yeah, plus b square. 9 into 9 is 81. So what we're going to get is basically x minus 9 square, x minus 9 square. And we are going to, I think you guys now know what we're going to do. We're going to basically put this thing here, and we're going to put this thing a minus b. Use the formula a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b, what we are going to get is a plus b minus 9, then a minus b, a minus b. Here there is a minus sign, and here it will be plus 9. It will be plus 9. Let's just solve this thing. It is minus 5x minus 6. Solve here also, we're going to get minus 7x plus 12. Okay, finally this was a really long question. I mean, it's easy one, but the mathematics, there are a lot of things to do. A lot of simple mathematics to do. On solving this by scientific calculator, I'm going to get the value 6 and minus 1. Same, solving this in scientific calculator, I'm going to get value 4 and 3. So this both, all those are our answers. That is it. That is only in the Ferrari method. Nothing you have to remember in only 2 steps. If you guys have to, yeah, really want to sum up this thing, you can say that you have to remove x to the power 4 and x to the power 3 to make it a perfect square. For removing, we introduce new term called lambda. For that, what we do is x square dividing this by that thing, it will become that, and from here it's just simple mathematics solution. Here, when we got this thing, b square minus 4ac from quadratic, we know that b square minus 4ac, you got the value of lambda. Putting the value of lambda again in this shit, you got the final answer. That's it for Ferrari. In comparison of Cardin's method, Ferrari is less important, but it came in exam a lot of time, so you should not skip this thing. And thank you for watching. Do share this video with the person you think